Cross Learning Center.
Cat, kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. Dog, puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Cow, calf. A baby cow is called a calf. Chicken, chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. Goat, kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Horse, foal. A baby horse is called a foal. Sheep, lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Pig, piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. Elephant, calf. A baby elephant is called a calf. Lion, cub. A baby lion is called a cub. Kangaroo, joey. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Tiger, cub. A baby tiger is called a cub. Deer, fawn. A baby deer is called a fawn. Duck, duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. Bear, cub. A baby bear is called a cub. Frog, tadpole. A baby frog is called a tadpole. Owl, owlet. A baby owl is called an owlet. Goose, gosling. A baby goose is called a gosling. Eagle, eaglet. A baby eagle is called an eaglet. Whale, calf. A baby whale is called a calf. Crocodile, hatchling. A baby crocodile is called a hatchling. Dolphin, calf. A baby dolphin is called a calf. Rabbit, bunny or kit. A baby rabbit is called a bunny or kit. Zebra, foal. A baby zebra is called a foal. Fox, cub or kit. A baby fox is called a cub or kit. Giraffe, calf. A baby giraffe is called a calf. Monkey, infant. A baby monkey is called an infant. Camel, calf. A baby camel is called a calf. Wolf, pup. A baby wolf is called a pup. Penguin, chick. A baby penguin is called a chick. Donkey, foal. A baby donkey is called a foal. Hippopotamus, calf. A baby hippopotamus is called a calf. Parrot, chick. A baby parrot is called a chick. Snake. Hatchling. A baby snake is called a hatchling. Fish. Fry or fingerling. A baby fish is called a fry or fingerling. Rhinoceros. Calf. A baby rhinoceros is called a calf. Pigeon. Squab or chick. A baby pigeon is called a squab or chick. Gorilla. Infant. A baby gorilla is called an infant. Lizard. Hatchling. A baby lizard is called a hatchling. Turtle. Hatchling. A baby turtle is called a hatchling. Hedgehog. Hoglet. A baby hedgehog is called a hoglet. Octopus. Larva. A baby octopus is called a larva. Swan. Cygnet. A baby swan is called a cygnet. Crab. Zoya. A baby crab is called a zoya. Leopard. Cub. A baby leopard is called a cub. Starfish. Larva. A baby starfish is called a larva. Seal. Pup. A baby seal is called a pup. Bat. Pup. A baby bat is called a pup. Turkey. Poult. A baby turkey is called a poult. Cheetah. Cub. A baby cheetah is called a cub.
Like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos.